Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. A little busy out here this morning. We're doing a quick video for you on this AMS all stainless steel single post auger filler. Controls are all operating. As you can see, it's all stainless steel. You can move it up and down through the manual crank here at the bottom. We're operating on 223 phase voltage and of course with 110 control voltage. This small banner eye here. Here the unit operating, and it finishes the cycle, has delay controls here, and once it finishes the cycle it'll take another one. This is apparently the counter. We don't know what they're counting in there. Once again, the delay is set for a lengthy time. You can adjust that, of course. Let me show you once again real fast inside here. It also has an agitated hopper, and it's set right now to run with the fill. That's the delay, or the indexing eyes you see here, or the gates there. You can jog them as well. Also has jog here on the main function. The counter is working. We're not sure what these represent. Now we've taken off an extended mount, so we'll show you that real fast. You can see how quickly that's firing. Do it again. And then of course we're going to add, let's see, add 2. And you can hear the extended runtime for that. Once again, the delay being set at a lengthy time, the gates will finally finish the cycle. It won't accept another cycle till that. We have lots of auger fillers in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.